Ever seen a shrimp so big it could star in a monster movie? Welcome to Giant Shrimp Big Lunch. Picture this, the freshest, biggest shrimp you've ever seen, straight from the ocean to your kitchen. Our hero chef, armed with enthusiasm but lacking skills, takes on the challenge of creating a gourmet masterpiece. The shrimp are colossal, the stakes are high, and the cooking, well, let's just say it's a comedy of errors. Watch as our chef fumbles with kitchen gadgets, oversalts, undercooks, and nearly sets the kitchen ablaze. Yet, amidst the chaos, those giant shrimp remain the stars of the show, plump, juicy, and practically begging to be savored. But here's the twist. Despite the culinary catastrophe, the shrimp emerge victorious, a testament to their premium quality. Served on a high-end luxury dining plate, they look and taste like they belong in a five-star restaurant. So whether you're a master chef or a kitchen klutz, Giant Shrimp, Big Lunch guarantees an unforgettable dining experience. Big laughs, bigger shrimp, and the biggest surprise? They taste absolutely divine. Remember, it's not just lunch, it's giant shrimp. Big lunch. Because sometimes the best meals come from the wildest adventures.